Hi, today we want to edit nose in Adobe Photoshop. It's easy and useful. If you want to test this tutorial, you can download image from description links. We didn't use any plugins. Let's start. Open image in Photoshop. Go to Filter, Liquefy. And this is Liquefy window. Pick Forward Wrap tool. Now change brush size here. Brush size is depend to you image size. Brush density controls how a brush feathers at the edge. An effect is strongest in the center of the brush and lighter at the edge. Brush pressure sets the speed at which distortions are made when you drag a tool in the preview image. Using a low brush pressure makes changes occur more slowly, so it's easier to stop them at exactly the right moment. Now just click and drag on nose and make better form. Thanks for watching and subscribe Digigraphic channel. Brush rate sets the speed at which distortions are applied when you keep a tool, such as the twirl tool, stationary in the preview image. The higher the setting, the greater the speed at which distortions are applied. And stylus pressure uses pressure readings from a stylus tablet. This option is available only when you are working with a stylus tablet. When selected, the brush pressure for the tools is the stylus pressure multiplied by the brush pressure value. It's okay. It's done and good job. If you want to make better hair form, you can select that part of image and make better form by transform. Wrap option. It's depend to you. You can comment on this video and say what tutorials you need. Thanks for watching and subscribe Digigraphic channel. In next tutorial you learn how to make lens flares in Adobe Photoshop. It's really useful and easy, and you can use this trick on profile pictures and wedding photography. Watch now.